Where should you actually focus today as the brand owner, considering everything that you have on your plate? To be more specific, I am talking about the founders, owners who are from offline business background, product background, maybe manufacturing background, wholesale background, and they are new to this DTC space, e-commerce space. Their products are awesome. Customers love their products. They are running very tight operations, say profitable operations, and that helped them reach seven figure. But they're stuck there. And now they're trying to figure out the marketing and growth strategies that would help them go beyond that. I was checking some comments on Reddit. Owners asked questions specifically about this struggle that they are stuck just below seven figure or cross seven figure. They're stuck there. They're trying to figure out, but like ads are not working for them. They're struggling to find the right people to handle the marketing, stuff like that. And then comments kept coming saying, man, just find an agency who can handle your email marketing, who can handle your meta ads, Google ads. That's it. Or just do this. Just scale your Facebook ad spend and it will work. And just do that. Always easier said than done. Say, as the business owner, your expertise is not in meta ads, Google ads, or SEO, or email marketing. Now, how can you hire someone and evaluate whether they are the right person or agency for the job, whether they are doing the right things, if you do not actually know what needs to be done? Hiring an experienced professional or agency isn't cheap. Now, come on, as the service provider or the agency, as the professional or the agency, you can definitely say that I'm worth every penny. I agree with that. All I'm saying is that the expertise that often these businesses need, it's beyond the scope of their finance to hire such a person. Even if that's within the scope of the finance, what gets tricky is sorting through professionals and agencies who pretend to be the right one, and also actually good professionals and agencies who just does not work out with the brand. So this becomes very tricky. A seven-figure brand do not have the luxury of doing hit and trial with different experienced professionals or agencies for several months, paying them and then seeing if that is impacting their top line and bottom line or not. If it works, that's great. But what if it does not work? A lot of brands do not have the luxury to take that kinds of risk. So what's the alternative? Now they have two options. Either hire cheap based on what they can afford or the money they can afford to lose. They go to some freelance platform and hire an affordable talent. What these brands need, that kind of experience or expertise they can't get from those talents. In turn, waste more time and money because those inexperienced talents come to the organization. They do not have someone to guide them, supervise them, or evaluate their work. So they basically come and experiment. That's great for those junior talents to get bigger budget to play with, to gain experience, build their portfolio. But for the brands, it's not a good thing. So the only option left, DIY. You learn and you do it yourself. Again, that's easier said than done. Most brand owners who are stuck at the seven-figure level, they already have too much on their plate. They are talking to the suppliers, they are addressing customer support issues, they are taking care of finances, they are doing whatever they can in terms of promoting and myriads other things. Now, even when you give them guidance, resources, it's very difficult for them to allocate additional time to learn something new and then execute it. And especially if they need to execute on multiple fronts. You on your own or the current resources that you have in your organization, that's not enough to execute all the loopholes that you need to fix or the opportunities, high impact opportunities that can help your business to go to the next level. The most important thing that you can do at this stage is to really review what's on your plate and what's on the plate for everyone who is currently working with your organization. As the founder, as the business owner, cannot afford to waste time, focus, attention on any tasks or responsibilities that are not worth it in terms of the impact they can have on your business. The moment you spot that your time is being eaten by something that is far less priority than something else you can focus on and create more impact for your business, you need to reshuffle that. You need to focus on attend the most important, the top high impact tasks and responsibilities for your business. That would bring the most impact for your business. Now, once you focus only on those, what else is left? See if you can discard, postpone some of them just because they are not important at all, or maybe they are not important right away. It can be done later. If it needs to be handled right away, but you can't afford to spend time on it, then who is there in your organization who can handle that? Pass it to them. If they are working on some low priority task, then shuffle that. Then figure out what are the important tasks, what needs to be executed that can't be postponed, that can't be discarded, but you don't have enough resources in your organization currently to handle those. So who will be the most affordable person to handle those, and what will be the easiest way to hire for those tasks and responsibilities? If you have some network of VAs, global talents, or local talents that you feel the most effective and economical, go for that. But if not, there are excellent organizations who can provide you affordable global talents who can execute on this task. Try to understand the difference. Delegating an important responsibility like running meta ads or Google ads to scale you from seven figure to eight figure, you can't delegate this responsibility to an affordable, junior, inexperienced talent unless you can show them what to do. But once you have reshuffled all the tasks and responsibilities and shortlisted the execution tasks and responsibilities that do not require that much of experience or expertise, or now you have some expert guidance in the form of a coach or mentor who will be guiding you, your current team members, and anyone new you hire, then you can definitely delegate those tasks and responsibilities to affordable global talents. You can find excellent global talents for low-level marketing and growth-related tasks execution starting from $5 to $20 per hour. And it would be great. You don't have to even hire them full time. You can hire them for as much time as needed to just take care of the tasks that are important. But none of you or the current players in the organization can afford to work on that. So that's basically the framework that I suggest if you are tight on finances, if you are stuck with your current setup, with your current strategy, that you need someone like me to come in and help you see the loopholes and the opportunities and also guide you on how to do things, guide your team on how to do things. And once I show you what to fix, what opportunities to pursue, then you need to prioritize everyone's tasks and responsibilities, making sure everyone in your organization, they are working towards the highest possible impactful tasks and responsibilities, and then look for affordable global talents who can take care of the rest. If you do not have access to such affordable global talents, let me know. What do you feel about this issue? Are you facing this issue in your organization where you are facing challenge in reaching the next level of growth? I would love to hear and explore the possibilities.